The Can Keg Pro Tap Kit is the absolute best mini keg system in the industry. At a glance, all portable beer systems all look the same. But don't be fooled by cheap competitor knockoffs on Amazon, especially if you're giving it as a gift. The two essential functions you should expect from a portable keg system are: 1. Proper keg filling, so your precious craft beer will stay fresh for months instead of days. 2. Proper flow restriction. When you pull that handle, you want a glass of beer, not a glass of foam. A keg system should also look cool. Our Pro Tap Kit comes with the most advanced tap on the market today, the Nuka Tap FC. When you fill your keg at the brewery, the brewmaster will be impressed that you have the same tap that they do, but they'll be jealous of yours if they don't. Pair with any size keg, and it will draw attention at any social gathering. At the heart of the Pro Tap Kit is the Mega Cap, a solid steel beast with proper ball lock posts that you can snap onto in seconds, keeping your beer completely protected. The knockoffs don't have proper posts, so you're stuck with this monstrosity. Don't bump the handle when you put it in the car, or you'll have a mess. With a Mega Cap, you can just toss your keg in the trunk on its side if you want to. The snap-on posts won't let out a single drop until you engage the faucet. The auto shutoff spring is included. Prevent accidents around pets or kids. It also comes with a little rubber nubby to keep the tap sanitary when not in use. The Pro Tap Kit is great for beer or large batch cocktails, and it's usually purchased with a 5-liter keg, but it fits our full lineup of mini kegs from 2 liters to 10 liters. With the other units out there, you're stuck at one size. You have a tiny little tap that is hard to clean, and you can't remove it, let alone use it as part of a larger kegging system. Toss a couple of kegs in a cooler and make yourself a Bubba box. At Can Keg, we go out of our way to make sure everything is modular and works seamlessly with commercial brewing equipment. In fact, you can fill directly from a 50-liter Sankey keg and just store the portable keg in the fridge. The Pro Tap Kit is focused on being sexy and portable, but if long-term storage is more your thing, check out the Fridge Tap Kit. Don't worry, you can easily turn one kit into the other one. Or you can have the best of both worlds with our handy upgrade kits, so it really doesn't matter which kit you start with. You're going to love the flexibility so much that you'll want to get all the kits eventually.